Here in question number 6, we have to solve some examples which are not in linear form, but we can substitute and then we can form in that linear form. Okay, see first. Denominator xy is there. Similar examples already we solved in practice set. Okay, here also we have to solve. I'll just explain how to solve. Once we make that in neat form of equation, then the remaining part we can solve. Okay friends, see. First, this 2 upon x, here also, this is nothing but 1 upon x. Here also 1 upon y. Here also 1 upon x, 1 upon y. With coefficient like 2, 2, 3, 2, like this one. Okay, for that, 1 upon x we'll suppose as a and 1 upon y as b. Okay, see here. Let 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. This should be equation number a. Afterwards, we have to resubstitute the values of a and b. That is why. Already in practice set we saw it here. So what we get here? 2 upon x. That is nothing but 2 into 1 upon x. So 2a we get here. Okay. Now here what we get? Here this 3 should be in denominator. Don't make any kind of mistake. Only 1 upon y is what? B means 2 upon 3 still is there. So like this. Okay. Now here also 1 upon 6. Finish. Now go with cross. Or you may take LCM. LCM means what? 3 and 6. LCM means some students can fear about that one. Don't make any kind of fearness. Why? LCM how can find 3 and 6? No. So just read the table of 3 and 6. Okay. Which is the number in both the tables comes first. That is the LCM. Okay. So look here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Like this one. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Like this one. In which 6 should be there the first number in both the tables. So that 6 is what their LCM. So by that LCM try to multiply to both sides. What will you get here? Multiply to both sides by 6. Look here. If we multiply by 6 here, what will you get here? 6 2s are 2 by 8. Here, if we multiply by 6, what is there? 3 1s are 3 2s are. Understand? I'll write here. Look here. 6 into 2 by 3 8. Look here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are. Okay. So 2 2s are 4 a. What will you get here? 4. Sorry, not a. It is b. Okay, friends. So like this, try to solve some rough section also, or you may write directly also. Here also multiply by 6, 6 is getting cancelled, it is 1. Look how simple it is. Once you write in this form, then the next part becomes very much easy. Okay, similarly take the second one also. Okay friends, see here, I'll write the second one. What is that? 3 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 0. Here also substitute 1 upon x means what? What will you get here? 3a. Here in this part, no problem. Plus, what will you get here? 2b is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. This is 1. Understand friends? Look here. 12a, 4b, 3a, 2b means we'll multiply here by 2 to make here 4, here also 4 by multiply by 2 here. Or if we multiply here by 4, 3 4s are 12, then this is the usual procedure. We can simplify this one. After getting values a and something, b is equal to something. So these two values we can resubstitute in equation number a. And here, once we get a and b, don't stop here. Don't forget to substitute in equation number a here. Here in this form, 1 upon x is there, 1 upon y is there. So we can make what? Invertendo. Means we can make reciprocal. Then we can find the values of x and y. Understand friends? Similarly, here also. Here it is very simple one. What we can write here now? Both looking like same here. So here 1 upon 2x plus 1 here also and 1 upon 2x plus 1 here also. Similarly 1 upon y plus 2, 1 upon y plus 2. For these two we can suppose as a and b. See here, let 1 upon 2x plus 1 equal to a and 1 upon y plus 2 equal to b. Okay friends? So now tell me what we'll get here. This is nothing but 7a. Is it correct? Plus 13b is equal to 27. That's right. Again here 13a plus 7b is equal to 33. Now look, They are very simple. Yes, tell me. Here, these two equations are in which form? Yes? Very good. What is that? One time adding, one time subtracting. Why? Because coefficient of A is 7. Here, coefficient of B is 7. And similarly here 13 is coefficient of B. Here 13 is coefficient of A. Whenever like this one time adding, one time subtracting, then we can get here two very simple equations. And once you get these two equations, just by adding, we can find value of A and B. And after getting values of A and B, again resubstitute in this equation. Now, here don't make that reciprocal. Go with cross multiplication to get here x value and here also y value. Okay friends, try to solve all these one. Because every example, if I solve only, then you cannot get some confidence here. When you solve these kinds of examples, you will get definitely confidence. Okay friends, try to solve. If any doubt, just ask me. Okay? See here, in the third example, look here. Actually, it is very simple example. But remember, here xy term is there, xy term. Because of that reason, here no need to make any kind of substitution. Just try to observe here. Okay? See here. If we will go with cross multiplication, in denominator also xy term is going, we can get here. And that xy in both the denominators, we can remove that one. Then it becomes very much simple example. Okay? Look here. Just try to make some cross multiplication here. What will we get here? 148y. Is it correct? Plus 231x. But don't forget to multiply their denominators. Here it is xy. That side already denominator is xy term is there. Okay, now multiply to both sides by xy. Then what will get here? 148y is there, no? So I will write first x term first. Okay friends? Look here. 231x plus 148y is equal to that side 527. Look here. How much easy it is. Okay? This is equation number 1. That side again go with cross multiplication. What we get? 231y plus 148x. Again here also denominator xy to multiply. This side 610 upon xy. Very similar here also with the denominators. Look here. This is also monomial. This is also monomial. If it is binomial, here something is there. So we cannot remove that one. Make first monomial. Here and here. Both sides in LHS and in RHS. If their denominators are same, we can remove. Okay? But that should be monomial. Yeah? Here like monomial. That is why we can remove that one. Here I will write first x term, which is 148x plus 231y is equal to 610. This is equation number 2. Okay? Now just try to observe here. Here also the coefficient of x is 231. Here it is for y. And here the coefficient of y is 148. This is for x. Means one time adding, one time subtracting. Then we can find the two simple equations, and these two equations by adding we can find x and y. Remember here we are not anything here supposed here. That means what we get the answer x and y. That is the final answer. Understand friends? Okay? Can we try? Yes, try to solve. See here friends. This is the fourth sum, in which we are not going to suppose directly here. I might just split it here. Look here. You can go with cross also, but you can get 5xy term, 15xy term. First you should remove that one or eliminate that one. But you can get some complications. So we'll make some easiness. See how? I'll make the separation here. What will we get here? 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. What will make? Just separation of denominator. This side also. 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. Is it correct? See first, this x term getting cancelled. This y term getting cancelled. Here we cannot cancel. Why? This xy is for both. We make separate. Now you can cancel. Here also xy term cancel. Here yy cancel. Now look here how it is. I'll write first x term first. That is minus 2 upon x plus 7 upon y is equal to 5. Is it correct? This side also. 7 upon x plus 8 upon y is equal to 15. Now looking, it is very similar. Previously we solved this one. Yes, here we have to suppose 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon y equal to b. This is equation number a. This is our supposition. What will get here? Minus 2a plus 7b is equal to 5. This side 7a plus 8b is equal to 15. Now it is very simple one. Okay, we have to multiply here by 7, here by 2. Then a term getting cancelled. We'll get b term. And by substitution, this b value in any one of these two equations, we can find the value of a. But that a and b are not our final answer. Why? Because we supposed here. Put here, resubstitute here, make inverted loop to get value of x and y. Understand friends? Only it is very important part here. Make separation, then it becomes very easy. Understand? Okay. Look at, we'll solve this one. This is the last sum of question number 6 here. Okay, look friends, what you observe here? See here, 3x plus 4y here also, here also. That 2x minus 3y here also, here also. That means 1 upon, that is the supposition. So look here, let 1 upon 3x plus 4y be a and 1 upon 2x minus 3y be b. This is as usual our equation number a here. What will get here? Look here, this is 1 upon means a. This 2 is in still denominator. That means you can write like a upon 2. This is very important. Plus, here 1 upon 2x minus 3y. This is still denominator 5 is there. Means b upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 4. That side, what you can write now? Yes, 5a. Because here that like this part is not there. So straight line 5 is what in numerator. So 5a. And here it is minus 2b is equal to minus 3 by 2. Is it correct? Yes. Now 2, 5, 4. This is very important. We are going to make some what? You may go with cross multiplication also. But we are in 10th standard. We have to know how to take that LCM. Okay, see first. 2 and 4 means we take just bigger one. Why? Because in the table of 2 there is 4 is there. So I will take just 4 only. Okay, 4 and 5. Now, just go with the tables. In both of them, which term comes common? Yes, 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20. Before this 20, not the terms which are common. So 20 is the LCM. So by that 20, I will multiply to both sides. So multiply to both sides by 20. Yes, look here. Here it is 20. So 2 ones are 2 tens. Okay. Now here, if you 20 multiply 5 ones are 5 fours. Here multiply by 20, 4 ones are 4, 5. That is 4 ones are 4 fives. Is it correct? Here 5 ones are 5. See here, this is one very simple equation. Okay friends, now here, only we have to multiply by 2 here. Multiply to both sides by 2 because just one term only 2. So tell me what we get here. This is 10a minus 2 to the 4b. And this by multiplying 2 getting cancelled minus 3. Now look here. Just simple. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Tell me what we get. By adding 4b, 4b. Both have different signs. That 4b term getting cancelled. I'll solve here. By adding 1 and 2. What will get here? 10a plus 4b is equal to 5. Here it is 10a minus 4b is equal to minus 3. This 4b getting cancelled. What will you get here? 10a, 20a. This side 5 minus 3, 2. So a is equal to, one more mistake you can make. 20 here is the no. If you write 20, 2 upon 20, okay. But by mistake you will write 20 upon 2. That is your big mistake. So these kinds of mistakes don't implement here. Okay. So don't do these kinds of mistakes here. So what will you get? 2 upon 20. So a is equal to 2 ones are 2 tens are. So a equal to 10. Is it 10? No. 1 upon 10. Okay. Now this value of a we can put in any one of either 1 or 2. We'll find b also. Okay. Look here. Put a is equal to 1 upon 10. in equation number 1. Where it is here? I'll put here 10a plus 4b is equal to 5. I'll put here 10 into a for 1 upon 10. So this 10 getting cancelled now. Okay? So we'll get here 1 plus 4b is equal to 5. So 4b is equal to 5 minus 1. Yes? Understanding now? Therefore, we'll get here, see, 4b is equal to what? 4. Therefore, b is equal to, tell me how much? 1. Okay? Like this, a is equal to 1 upon 10. B is equal to 1. So, these two values we are going to substitute here. But remember friends, this is the first example in which x and y, both the variables comes in one term only. That means again we'll get two linear equations in two variables. Okay? See, after substituting. Substitute in A. What will we get here? 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equal to A for 1 upon 10. Is it correct? And here 1 upon 2x minus 3y is equal to B for 1. So just go with inverted we can make because numerator is only 1. By invertendo. What will we get here? By invertendo. Already these all kinds of examples already we solved here. Okay. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. That side 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. So by solving these two, we can find the values of x and y. Understand?
See here friends, here this is very important example, word problems were start. This is very carefully we have to going to solve. This is the 7th question in which there are so many examples. This is the first one which is activity based example. Okay, see, I'll read first question. A 2-digit number and a number with digits interchanged add up to, then we'll get addition is 143. In the given number, the digit in units place is 3 more than the digit the tens place. So find the original number. Do you know the 2-digit number? We already discussed. Okay, see here, suppose if the example is like this one, suppose we'll take here 47. Okay, so what is here? This is the tens place, this is the units place. So the tens place value is what? Here it is 40. Remember, that is 10 into 4 plus 7. Like this we'll get here 47. Okay, that means what we can write now here? See first. See here. Let the digit in units place is x and the unit tens place is y here. Okay, that means whenever the tens place is there, we have to multiply this place value by 10. Means here we have to write 10. Okay, so see here how we can write here now. This is the 10. Means the original 2-digit number is, see here, the original 2-digit number is this one. Okay, this is very important one. We are going to use afterwards this one. Okay, now the number obtained after interchanging the digits. Interchanging means what? Suppose last time we'll write here 47. Okay, if we'll interchange, what will come here now? 74. Means here this 7 is tens place value and here it is units place. Means how it comes this one? 70 plus 4 means 10 into 7 plus 4. So we'll make interchange here. This x to here and this y to here. Then what will come here? Yes, this is 10x plus y. Okay, now the next part is what? Their addition. Okay, the original number and interchange number, their addition is 143. So here we have to write what? This particular one. Already they wrote here this one, 10y plus x. Now we have to write here it is 10x plus y. I will write here 10x, okay, plus y. Okay, there is no place, we wrote that just outside. Okay, understand? Now, by simplification, what we'll get here now? See first, I'll write x term first. This is 1x and here it is 10x. This is plus sign. So, what will come here now? 11. Okay, carefully. Yeah? Now, plus. Okay, now how many y's are there? 10y. Plus here one more y. So, what will get here? 11y. Okay, now this 11x plus 11y is equal to 143. So divide to both sides by 11. So just do here, what will come here now? 143 divide by 11. Who will tell me? 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11. Here 3 remains, 33, 11 3s are. So how much will come here now? 13. Okay friends, carefully. This is our first equation we got here. Okay, now see here, the second condition they are given to us, the units place is, means which one? X is. Okay, digit in tens place plus 3, 3 more than tens place. So what is digit in tens place? Here it is y. Okay, like this. Now by simplification, here this y's come to this side, that will come minus y. So this is our second equation. That means x plus y equal to 13, x minus y equal to 3. So if because of this plus y and minus y, we have to add it. If addition, this y term getting cancelled. So x plus x, 2x, 13 plus 3, 16. So by adding, what will get? 2x plus 16. See here, this is very important one. 2x plus 16. Here it will come 16. Okay friends, see here, write very easily 16. Now, so this 2 comes this side. Okay, so what will get here now? Here it is 8 will come here. Already they wrote 8. Now, by putting x equal to 8, this x equal to 8 in our equation number 1. Where it is 1? Here it is x plus y equal to 13. We are going to put the value of x equal to 8 in that equation which is here. So we'll put here x equal to 8. Here that y write as it is. Okay, in the next step that 8 goes to this side. So 13 minus 8, I will write here it is how much? 5. Understand? So after getting y and x value, then we can get very easily the original number which is 10y plus x, in which we are going to put the value of y and x. So see here, y means here it is 5. So 5 into 10, here it is 50. So we can write here now 50, and that x means what? Already we know x means what? Here 8. So here we'll put, that means they're given to us. So 50 plus 8, which is nothing but 58. That is our original 2-digit number. Understand friends?
See friends, now in question number 7, all the examples are word problems. Okay, see, this is the second one. Look here, Kantabai bought 1.5 kg tea powder, okay, and 5 kg sugar. Okay, for this the rickshaw 50 rupees to return her home. So total amount she paid 700 rupees. Okay, afterwards she realized if she ordered online, then home delivery, that means no rickshaw expenses. Okay, so in the next month she ordered online. Okay, that is 2 kg tea and 7 kg sugar. For that she paid 880 rupees. Okay, so from all this information we are going to find the what is per kg price of tea and per kg price of sugar. Okay friends, let's see here. So in these word problems, read carefully. Try to understand what is the meaning of that particular example. And once you realized this is our own example, Okay, in that you are there. Instead of that Kantabai, you are there. Then you can think about this one. Okay, you also people, so many times you can bought all these things. Okay, home appliances or some groceries. Okay, in this lockdown period, we so many times ordered online here. Yes, friends. Okay, so now see here. So what we have to suppose? What we have to find here? Per kg tea and per kg sugar price we have to suppose, because that one only we have to find here. Okay, see here. Let rate of, what is that? Tea powder or tea per kg be X rupees. Okay, and rate of sugar per kg be Y rupees. Is it okay? Now look here. What is our first condition? 1.5 kg tea powder. 1.5 kg. See here. 1.5 kg means what? Like this. Actually, what is the sign in between these two? So many students give the answer, that is into product sign, multiplication. No. In between there is plus sign. Remember, friends. So here we can know that is 1 means 1 upon 1. Go with cross. 2 ones are 2. 1 ones are 1. Upon 2 ones are 2 means 3 by 2. That is why 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 3 upon 2 we can make. But the reason is that is 1. Understand? Like this we can make in this form. Okay, friends. Look here. So you can understand all these one. Okay, friends. Look here. What will we get here? 1.5 kg means 3 upon 2. That is per kg. T means what? X rupees. Plus, what is the next one? 5 kg sugar. Sugar is Y. So 5 kg sugar. Plus rickshaw. That is 50 rupees fare. Okay. So in all, she paid how much? 700 rupees. Understand? This is the way make the equation form. Once you get that equation, the next part becomes very much simple. So I'll write in need form first. Okay? So first I'll take this 50 to this side, and here we don't need this 2 in denominator. Okay? So 3 upon 2x plus 5y. This 50 goes that side. 700 minus 50 means what? 650. So again multiply to both sides by 2. What will we get here? 3x. Don't take this 2 to here directly. Multiply to every term. What will we get here? 5 2s are 10y. And here 2s means double of 600 is 1200. 50 is what? 100. So here it is 1300. Like this. This is our need form of equation number 1. Understand? Similarly, we'll write here by first condition. By first condition, because in these kinds of examples there are 2 conditions given. This is the first one, and right now by second condition. What is the condition number 2? She realized if she ordered online, she can save that rickshaw fare. Okay, so in the next month she ordered online only. So what is that? 2 kg of sugar, tea means what? 2x plus 7 kg of sugar. So 7 kg of sugar. So no rickshaw fare here. Directly she paid 880. Look, this is already in need form. That is our equation number 2. Once we reform these equations, next part is very much simple. Okay, we can find the value of x here, we can find the value of y here, and there what? The rate of per kg tea is there, and rate of sugar we can find. Yes? Can you solve? Try to solve. Because already we get these 2 equations here. Okay, next part we can solve. So I will just give you a hint here. Look here, these are just bigger numbers. So see here. Here multiply by 2, yes, and here multiply by 3 here. Okay, so if we multiply by 2 here, what will get here? 3 to the 6x. Here also and here also. And here by 3, then to every term, then we'll get 3x. By subtraction, we can eliminate this x term, then we can find y. After getting y, put in any one of these two equations to get x. Okay, but don't forget to write answer in words because x and y is our supposition. So write again, repeat these two statements. So rate of t per kg is whatever maybe you get the value of x. Similarly, rate of sugar per kg is, that is the value of y. Okay, try to solve. It is very simple one. Okay, friends. Third one. Question number next. 7th one. We'll take that third sum. See here. There are Anushka and Anand. The two persons are there. Anand gave some amount to Anushka in the denominations like 100 rupees notes and 50 rupees notes. They are given to us. Let the number of 100 rupees notes be x and number of 50 rupees notes be y. Okay. In first condition, there Anand gives 2500 to Anushka. Okay. In the second condition, if this number of notes interchange, then she received 500 rupees less. Okay. So from this, we are going to find the number of notes of 100 rupees and number of notes of 50 rupees. Okay, friends. See here. Let the number of 100 rupees notes be x. This everything is supposed. This is given to us, and the number of 50 rupees notes be y. Okay. In the first condition, what is that? Anand gave to Anushka how many rupees? 2500. So by first condition. Okay. By first condition. What is that? 100 rupee X notes. Look here. 100 rupees, suppose 2 notes are there. How many amount? 200 rupees. 3 notes, 300. So here X notes means 100X amount. Understand? Plus 50 rupee notes Y. So 50Y. So in all, how much amount Anand gave to Anushka? 2500. This is the particular equation. If you observe here, 100, 50, 2500. So all these numbers is divisible by 50. Make it simplest form. So divide to both sides by 50. So it will be 2x. Here it is only y. So if we divide here, that 0 getting cancelled. That means 250 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 1 more 0. Means here it is 50 becomes. Okay. This is the equation which is in very simplest form. Now by second condition. What is that one? If these denominations were interchanged. She received from Anand 500 less than previous one. Means 2500 no. So 500 less means 2000. Means she has to interchange. What will get here? 100y and 50x like this one. Okay. So I'll write first x no. That is why I'll write 50x. Then 100y is equal to 2500. But she'll get 500 less like this one. So what do we get here? 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Very similar as like previously. Divide to both sides by 50. What do we get here? Yes, that is x plus here it is 2y is equal to 0 getting cancelled. 5 ones are 5 4s are means not 50, it is 40 will get here. This is equation number 2. Look how easy these two are. Here it is 2x, x, y, 2y. It is adding, subtracting, but these are 1 and 2 when it comes no. At that time don't make here. Okay, straight away by multiply here by 2 or here by 2. Then that one term, one variable removes, eliminate, and then we can find value of the second variable, and by substituting this in any one of either 1 or 2, we can find that 2 variables answers. So what these are? X means what? Originally, before interchange, originally number of notes of 100 rupees is X, means we can get the value of X here, and similarly number of notes of 50 rupees be Y, and whatever we get we can find. So these are two very simple equations. Like these examples already we solved. Try to solve, students, yourself. Okay friends, try to solve. See friends, in fourth sum, what is given to us? There are Manisha and Savita. These are the two persons. Okay. Then sum of their present ages is 31. Okay. And in the second condition, 3 years ago means both should be in both of the ages. We have to subtract 3. Okay. 3 years ago, Manish was 4 times as age of Savita. So by using these conditions, we can solve the example. See first here, present ages. Let the present age of Manish be X years. Don't write rupees, write years. And the present age of Savita be Y years. See, by first condition, what we can write? The sum of their present ages is 31. Okay, it means what? X plus Y is equal to 31. This is equation number 1. Now, in the given example, condition is what? 3 years ago. So we'll write here age of Manish. What? 3 years ago. Tell me what? Here present age is what? X. 3 years ago minus 3 means X minus 3. And age of Savita when 3 years ago means what? Y minus 3. So by the second condition, what is that? Manish was 4 times the age of Savita at that time. Means what? Manish, X minus 3 is 4 times 4 into age of Savita. Like this. So try to solve very carefully. Read the example. By the meaning of example only we can make these kinds of equations. See, we can solve here. X minus 3, here it is 4y minus 12. I'll take this to x minus 4y, this minus 3 goes to that side, means minus 12 plus 3. So x minus 4y is equal to minus 9. This will be the equation number 2. See just here, 1 and 2. Just by observing x and x getting cancelled by subtraction, we will get value of y. Okay, after getting value of y, substitute in either 1 or 2, we can find x also. Okay, so x and y, what these are? These are what? Present ages of Manisha and Savita. Only to make the equations is only very important in these kinds of word problems. Understand friends? Try to solve. Next part. See here friends, this is the fifth sum. Okay, see in this particular example, what is given to us? In a factory, there are 2 kinds of workers are there. Some of them skilled workers and some of them unskilled workers. Okay, then given to us first condition is what? The ratio of the salary of skilled workers to unskilled workers is 5:3 is given. Okay, and the second condition is what? The total salary of one day of both means what? Skilled and unskilled. It's 720 is given to us. From this we are going to find the daily salary or daily wages of each kinds of skilled and unskilled workers. Okay, see first. Let daily wages of skilled workers be X rupees and daily wages of unskilled workers be Y rupees. Okay, see, but first condition. What is the first condition? Look here. The ratio of skilled and unskilled is 5:3 given. Means skilled means what? X rupees. Unskilled Y is 5:3. Please just go with cross multiplication. What will you get? 3x is equal to 5y. Take that 5y to this side. Finish. This is equation number 1. Understand? Now, by second condition is what? That is a very simple than this one. What is that? Total salary of both these workers of one day is how much? 720. So what is that? Very simple. Just by adding x plus y is equal to 720. This is our equation number 2 here. Look how simple it is. What do I have to make here? Either you can multiply here by 3 or by 5. That is depend upon yours. Okay. Once you multiply, one term getting cancelled, you can find the value of the other variable. Again, getting this one, put in any one of these two equations, we can find x and y. These are what? Daily wages of skilled, that is x is equal to whatever value you get here, and unskilled y. Understand, friends? Try to solve. You can solve because similar sums, similar equations we solved so many. These are very simple equations. Okay? Try to solve and check the answer after solving that one. Okay? See friends here. This is the last sum in word problem. See here, A and B are the two places. Look here, A and B are the two places. Okay? They are 30 kilometers apart from each other. Okay, there are two persons. Okay, Hamid and Joseph. Okay, the first condition is what? Hamid goes to A to B direction, towards B, and Joseph will come B to A at the same time they started. Okay, and after 20 minutes they meet each other. This is our condition number 1. Okay? And what about condition number 2? Hamid started from A to B. At the same time, Joseph also starts from B. Instead of towards A, he goes to opposite direction. They meet each other after 3 hours. This is the condition. So from all this information, we are going to find their speed. Okay? So first, as usual, we have to suppose here their speed be x and y. Okay friends, look here. I'll write here, let the speed of Joseph, first Hamid is the noun. Alright, Hamid be x kilometer per hour, and the speed of Joseph be y kilometer per hour. Okay, here this is the condition. A and B, they are apart from each other 30 kilometers. Okay, Hamid started from A to B and Joseph started from B to A. They meet in 20 minutes. 20 minutes we need always in terms of hours. So 20 upon 60 means that is hours. Okay, so look here by condition number 1. What is condition? Look here. In 20 minutes, Hamid, how much distance covered? Distance means what? We know speed and into time. Yes, look here. I'll write it formula. Distance. We know your distance, speed and time. Okay. Now look here. Distance. If we need here, what we are going to make here? Yes, tell me. Or you may write here distance upon speed. Also we can write here time. Okay. Or if we need distance only, take this speed to that side. Time into speed. Okay, now we need here distance. So time into speed. Time is what? 20 minutes, means 20 upon 60. And speed is what? Here, Hamid's x and Joseph's y. Okay, that means look here. 20 minutes means what? 20 upon 60. This is what? Time. Into this is what? Distance. Okay, or sorry, it is a speed. So we'll write here speed. Time into speed, which is nothing but distance. Plus here 20 upon 60 means 20 minutes. Joseph covered how much by speed? Y. So this is the distance covered in 20 minutes. This is by Hamid and this is by Joseph. So both from A to B means total distance is what? 30 kilometer. This is the way. Understand? Look here, I'll make it in simplest form. That is getting cancelled. It is x upon 3. Again it is getting cancelled. Y upon 3 is equal to 30. Multiply to both sides by 3. Here it is x plus y is equal to 90. This is our first condition. Understand, friends? Now, what is second condition? Look here. This is A to B. Is it correct? That is 30 kilometer. Hamid started from A to B and Joseph started from B to, instead of towards A, that is opposite to A. Means what? Like this. Joseph goes to here and Hamid goes to here. So in 3 hours, they meet at somewhere. Okay, in this particular point. But in 3 hours. So speed of Joseph is y. Speed of Hamid is x. In 3 hours, that Hamid covered how much distance? 3x. Is it correct? And in 3 hours, Joseph covered 3y. Okay, now look here. From A to up to here, this is the distance which is 3x. And from B to up to here, 3y. So their difference is AB, which is 30 km. So here the difference is there. That means what you can write here now, that is very important here. Look here, condition number 2, what tells us? Yes, 3x minus 3y is equal to 30. What is 3x? This 3x is nothing but distance covered by Hamid in 3 hours. Or you may write here, distance covered by Hamid in 3 hours. That is 3x. And distance covered by Joseph in 3 hours, that is 3y. Is it correct? How you get 3y? We know distance, we have to find distance. And distance formula is what? Speed into time, or time into speed, like this one. This is what? Yes, time. This is speed. So this nothing but is what? Distance. Okay? Now here 30 kilometers is there. Their difference is 30 kilometers. Understand? The next part is very simple. Here we have to divide to both sides by 3. Divide by 3 to both sides. What do we get here? X minus y equal to 10. This is equation number 2. Look friends, how simple these two are. So by adding that y getting cancelled, I write here. By adding y getting cancelled, what do we get? 2x is equal to 90 plus 10, 100. So x is equal to what? 50. Substitute x equal to 50 in 1. So what is 1? X plus y equal to 90. Put here, what will be the y? Yes, 40, like this. So what is x and y? These two we have to write again. Therefore, speed of Hamid, that is 50 km per hour. Okay? And speed of Joseph y, which is 40 km per hour. Or you may verify also. How we can verify? Look here, we'll verify first. Look here, this is 50 km per hour. 20 minutes. 20 minutes means what? 20 upon 60 means you can write here 50 upon 3. Okay. And here 40 upon 3. 3 write just once only. Okay. So 50 plus 40 upon 3. Okay. Now 50 plus 40, 90. 90 upon 3 is what? 30. Like this we can verify. Similarly here also. Okay. This condition. 53s are 150. 43s are 120. So Hamid covered in 3 hours 150 kilometer and Joseph covered in 3 hours 120 kilometer. So their difference is 30 kilometer. Like this we have to verify. Okay. So word problems very carefully we have to solve and understand first meaning of the given example. So read the question is very carefully. Okay friends.